Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to solve another HackerRank problem. And you can see our task here. It's saying Miss Gabrielle William is a botany professor at District College. One day she asked her student Mikey to help to compute the average of all the plants with distinct height in her greenhouse. Means we have to choose some distinct height that are given, and we have to take out the average formula. You know the formula of average, that is sum of distinct height, total sum and number of height present. So we have to complete the function. It's given all the things, we just have to write the function so that we can find the required result. And you can see the input format is first line will contain n, the size of array, means if we are taking 5 then the size of array should be 5, and the second contain n separate space separated integers ri, means some input. You can see input, this is 10 and the length of array is 10. So we have to take out the average, and let's see how we can do this. So first I will say s equals to set array average array. Okay, it's taking here the average ARR, right? So we will just take ARR, and here we can take a set of ARR, and then is, as we find the set means the distinct values, then we'll compute the average if v equals to sum of s. Then as we have to find the average in float, so we will not use the integer division. Integer division basically the double slash, and normal division is single slash. So let's then we will what I will say, the number of items in the array, right? So how we can get the number of items in the array? It is the length of s, right? So we have to return this. Okay, return this much. Okay, so let's try this. 5 1 2 3 4 5. Let's run it. 3.0 we are finding. Let's run it against custom, that is predefined. So we have successfully completed the sample test, and let's submit our code. Yeah, we have submitted, and you can see all the test cases have completed. So basically what we have done, it has given all the things here. N equals to int input, it's taking input as integer, and array equals to list. It's map function, you know, it's basically assigning the int integer is the data type, and input here input dot split, those space separated values that we are taking. It's basically, it is specifying, it is splitting them into single items, and then it is converting them into integer data type, and then it's storing them inside this list. That is what this list is doing. It's converting them into a list, and result is average r. So here the function we have defined, and here arr is a list, and then we take the set of this array, means it will remove the duplicate values and will only keep the distinct values, then return sum of this array and by length of this array. So this is what our function, and print result equals to average arr and print result. So that's basically what this function does, and we have got our thing. Let's see another challenge. If new data type sets, okay, concepts the input list dot split, then 5/4 list values are use map method to convert all these strings to integer. Okay, list map int list print new list, creating sets directly as set initializing. Okay, modifying set. So these are the things we have given. This we can use remove method, you can use union, intersection, difference, so update, and all the other things we can add. So let's check out our task. Given two sets of integers m and n, print the symmetric difference in ascending order. The term symmetric difference indicates those values that exist in either m or n but do not exist in both. So exist in A but not in B, exist in A or B. So symmetric difference means we have to use the union. First line contains an integer m, second line contains m separated space separated integers, third line contains an integer n, the fourth line contains n space separated integers. Set A size m equals to 4, set B size. Okay, we have to take two sets. So let's m equals to int input. This is basically will take input as string, then and then we have is equals to the set. So set, then map, then int, then input dot split. So we basically will take these things and it will, okay, let's just complete it. N equals to int put then we can take s2 equals to set map int input dot split, right? So we have chosen this. Let's print s and print s2. So let's check this much first. If you are getting the okay 2 4 5 9 and 2 4 11 12, so we are getting our sets, right? So what we have to do is, let's comment this, and the basic things we have to do that is s dot print s dot uni on s2. Let's check what we are getting. Let's see what it will print. Okay, 2459. Let's try difference. Okay, I'm sorry, I just used the wrong one. It's not union will combine them, right? I used the wrong one. This is 9 5 intersection. Will it be intersection? Two four. Oh, okay. So what we have to print 5 9 11 12. So basically the things that are present in both, we have to remove them, right? Let's check another one. Values that exist in A but not in B. Exist in A but at an intersection which exists in A and B. Means 2 4 which exist in A or B. Okay. Which exist in A but not in B, right? So what we can do here, okay, let's try this thing. Difference, then print s2 dot difference s. Let's check this, what it's printing. 9 5 11 12, right? So, and we can, okay, s3, and we have s3 and s4. What we will take s3 dot union s4 and okay s5. Then what we will do, for I in s5 print I, right? Let's check. 9 11 12 5. Okay, so it is have to print this out in descending order. Okay, so what we can do here, li1 is list. Then we can use sorted for in li1 print I. Let's try this out. I think we will get the problem. Yeah, 5, 9, 11, 12, and we got the thing, right? Yeah. So basically we take input, map this, then take another input, then map this. We got two sets. Then we got difference, right? You understand difference, that in present that is the values that are present in first array but not in second array. So it took out the difference. Then we get a union of these two sets, then converted into list. And because sets have no order of items, right, they are not stored in order in set, so we cannot use sort function. So we converted this into a list, then use sorted. So this list is sorted and it's stored in li1, and for I in li1 print I, so it printed them out like this. So this is what, and I hope everything is fine. Okay, so we got all this correct. So that's it for today, guys. I will meet you in next video. Today we did two problems, and I hope you guys understood this, and next problem we'll do in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.